Hello. Sorry, that was my wife just taking the piss out of me, but never mind. How many times have you been going to wash the car? Or how many times as the wife says, "You're going to wash my car, it needs washed again," and you think, oh God, here we go. So you get the pressure washer out, and you get the hose out, and you walk away across the garden, you plug it in, you turn the water on, and then you get the electric plugged in, and then after all that you spend your time washing the car, only to put it all away again. And it takes time. Well, pressure washer, I took the top off of mine and I've chained it up in the pergola, see, and the electric cable is plugged in here permanently, and the lance is just hooked up there, and the water just goes along, down, and away to the tap on the other side of the garden. So when you want to wash the car, all you have to do, switch it on like that, take your lance, bring it down, then you've got to try and do this with one hand, unhook your hoses, which is really easy because they're quite stiff hoses. There you go, and then you can wash the car. There's the cat watching. Hello George. Hello George, would you want a shot? Will I? Will I or won't I? 1, 2, 3, no, I wouldn't do that. You thought I would, didn't you? And when you're finished, you hang it up, turn the power off and switch the water off. Handy for washing the bikes as well. Just another wee idea I had to make life so much easier. See you all soon.